Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fidos bin Azli. My metric number is AE180039. I will present for the activity 1 until 4 for the exercise number 5 lab. So this is the circuit for activity number 1. As we can see here from the lab module, this is for the activity 1. So I will run the activity 1. We will wait until the running is done. Okay, as you can see here, the power is not flow through the circuit. To flow the power, we need to force through, and this one we need to force through also. And after we troubleshoot this circuit, the lamp will turn on. Next is for the activity number 2 from the lab sheet. There is a bit different from activity number 1, which is this push button. Number 1 is in negated. So we run this circuit. When we done, okay, as we can see here, this power is flow because the push button number 1 is negated. And to make the power flow, we need to force through the power, and it will turn on the siren. This is how we troubleshoot for the activity number 2. Next is for the activity number 3. Here, for the activity number 3, it is quite similar to activity number 2, but this time the push button number 2 is in negative. So we run. When after we run, you can see here the power is not flow to the push button number 1, so we force through the power and the lamp will turn on. Okay, next is for the activity number 4. For the activity number 4, both push button 1 and push button 2 are in negative form. So we run and we will see how to when it's done running. So from here we can see the lamp is turned on because the push button number 1 and 2 are in negative, so the power is direct flow to the lamp. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Muhammad Shukri, Industrial UTHM. I will present the activity 5, 6, 7, and 8. For the activity 5, this is the ladder diagram of activity 5. Activity 5 consists by BP, timer, and lamp. So we run the simulation. As you can see, EB condition is right now off, so we must force through to make it on. If timer, it will flow in 5 seconds. This is result of activity 5. For activity 6, the timer is set for 5 seconds. We have PB, we have timer, we have delay, and we have lamp. So this ladder diagram of activity 6. We run the simulation. As you can see, PB condition right now is off, so we must force through power for incoming will flow through the circuit. This is the result of activity 6. For activity 7, this is the ladder diagram of activity 7. Activity 7, we have PB, we have relay, 3 relay, EB2, timer, 5 seconds, and lamp. PB is off condition, PB2 is on condition. So we run the simulation. After we run, as you can see, PB1 is off, so we must force through to turn on the PB1. So after we turn on, the power is flow here, it will flow here, and after 5 seconds flow in timer, it will continue flow to here, and after that we must force through to make sure that the power is flow to left here, our output. So this is the result of activity 7. For activity 8, this is the ladder diagram of activity 8. So we have PB1. PB1 right now, PB1 is off condition, PB2 is on condition. We have 3 relay, 1, 2, 3. We have timer, 2 timer. We have lamp, and we have counter. The counter is set 1. So we run the simulation. After we run the simulation, as you can see, there are troubleshoot here. So we must turn on to be sure the current flow. After we turn on, the current is still not flow through the circuit. So we must adjust by edit here. Delay we change to lamp. So after that we run the simulation. So we force through the PB1 to turn on PB1, and current will flow to lamp. So after current flow, you can see the counter will go to here 1, because we set the counter 1. So to reset the counter, we must force through the relay. After we force through the relay, the counter will set to 0 back, 0, because we reset the counters. After that, the relay will turn. After that, the power will flow through the timer. So that we flow to timer and flow to our output here. This is the result of activity 8. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how the activity that in the experiment 5, which is activity 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Open the circuit that I have to do. So as you can see, this is the circuit that indicates in the left sheet. Okay, and then we run the simulator it and wait for the response in the console. Okay, we can start our display command. For the simulation to run,
Okay, as you can see, it will trigger the push button start, it will trigger the R1 and the LM1. Okay, that is for the activity 9. Now we go to the next activity, this activity 10. For this the activity 10. Let's wait for the activity 10 to load. We'll open it for the activity 10. As you can see, this is the circuit in the activity 10, and we run it the simulation. Wait for the simulation to run. And then we actually push the button 1 in order to see the name. Okay, we can see that R1 and M1 is triggered by the push button 1. And then we can push the button 2. Okay, as you can see, the R2 and LAM2 is actually triggered by the push button 2 in order to R2 and M2 to trigger. Okay, that's it. And then we move next to the activity 11. Where is the level? Okay, we start the simulation. Wait for the debug instance. The simulation. Okay, it's 401, and in this activity level we have counted the timer, which is this one will flow after the counter is actually triggered by push button. Force and go. Force. Force. And we trigger for 5 seconds. Okay, after that we can see that not, because here we actually reset for the 5 seconds. Okay, that's it for the activity level. Okay, now we push to the next activity, which is the final activity, activity 12. Okay, this is our one activity 12. Then we run it, simulation, and then debug it. Okay, let's wait for the simulation. Okay, and then we push button for us. For it, this one, the timer will trigger to in order to them to trigger this timer will allow the current air flow after 5 seconds. And then to in order to R1 to flow, it's actually to force through, and we can see that it's actually the one R1 is actually triggered by a push button. But here it cannot trigger because it is because we have actually reset the button here, because it's actually the RT and then lamp 1 is actually triggered, but it's actually by reset by 1. It's actually auto reset here. That's why it's not actually this one is actually not triggered by the R1. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you.